Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today I'm making a toran for this Diwali. I will be using 4 pieces of cardboard for this, but you can adjust it depending on your door's width. To attach them, I will be using a stapler. This is how you need to join all the pieces together. Well, I will quickly summarize the process here since it's already quite late. I was supposed to upload this video yesterday, but as the work wasn't finished, I am uploading it today. It actually took me 5 full days to complete. It might look simple, but it's quite time consuming. For this, take any old fabric with a nice design and attach it to the cardboard as shown in the video. You can either glue it using regular glue or a hot glue gun. I stitch it instead because I plan to reuse later. After that, I took the rod where the toran will be placed and used it to take measurements. Then I stitched some woolen threads at the ends and in the middle to give extra support to the cardboard. After this step, keep those pieces aside and complete the rest of the work using the cardboards. Everything will be sewn one by one here. Please make sure to turn on the captions. Also, I apologize for the video quality. The lighting and phone camera couldn't capture the real beauty of this toran, which honestly made me a bit sad. But if you understood the process, that's what matters the most to me. I am having a little trouble with my throat today, so I will keep it short. Wishing you all a happy Diwali. Enjoy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.